The Microsoft is almost ready to release its 2020 edition of the Windows 10, which we know as the Windows May 2020 version or Windows 10 2004 version. Actually, I'm talking about this right now. Yeah, the Windows 10 2004 version, but still it has some time to officially get released. But if you want to install it right now, it seems to be difficult, because when you go to Google and search for Windows 10 download and access the Microsoft official site, we just found it still shows the Windows 10 November 1909 version available to download. So yep, right now it is not possible to download it till the Microsoft globally release it. But yes, there is a way, another way to download it, and actually because that upgrade is almost ready and finalized. But if you are in hurry and just you want to see it right now, but you don't want to make your PC hang, lag due to the improper optimization, so you can actually now install that update just by doing this. Go to Google and you just have to open the Microsoft Insider Preview Downloads site, the option, and here you will find the which edition we actually want to download of the Windows 10, and we just have to select the slow version. Actually, the difference between the slow and fast is just of the updates given. In the fast version, you just, if Microsoft made some changes, you will just get the update without even having any proper, you mean when an update is actually have to be released, first they make sure this update is proper, optimum, and we are not compromising with any performance issue, gaming issue, you know. But this update is like just they have just made this update and release it, so that the fast users will get this update, use it, feel it there is any problem, and if there is a problem they will give a feedback to the Microsoft, then the update will be corrected, and then again another update within a 2 days, 1 day, it will again update will available, so that that problem will be solved. But in the case of slow version, things are different, a little bit different. In the slow version, when the update becomes proper, right update after the feedback, then the update comes to the slow version that this is a proper update, and the chances and the probability of having issues is very very less as compared to the fast version. This is the difference, that's why I'm recommending to download the slow version, and then just confirm it, and then just go to the language whatever you want in your operating system, and just then click on the confirm. And if you want to upgrade your Windows, then just make sure confirm which version you have already installed. Just like mine, I have installed the 64 version, 64-bit. So if you have also 64-bit version, so then you have to download from here, and another is here 32-bit if you want. And if you want to install a clean, then it's your choice, whatever you want, because after this you will get a download link for an ISO file. Yes, an ISO file you can download as a clean, and if you can also update your editions, older edition you are using it. Before this 2004 edition, I was using 1903 edition, and I upgraded from May 2019 to this version. And yes, it's a very good update, and the good thing of this update is there is no lagging issue, no gaming issues, no performance issues, and no lagging code. And the good thing about this preview is right now is there is no watermark here in the bottom, right, which tells that this is a preview edition of this Windows, so like you have a Cortana, you can move it, and it's now different from the Windows. Now you can update it in from the Windows Store. Now you don't have to wait for the Windows update or upgrade edition. And some graphical change like themed UI designs, just like in the Wi-Fi. Now the password, the lock protection symbol is above the range. Like you can even name the desktops also, and there are many things you will observe in this thing. Like in the task manager, you can also see what type of storage device you are actually using. It's STD, SSD, and many things. The temperature of the CPU, the temperature of the GPU, and many things you can observe in this. And I'm using it from 10-11 days, and I'm having no issue in playing games online, things and many things. It is no problem at all, and I assure you can also download it. And if you want to download it, and then I will drop a link in the description box. You can download it from there, and whichever edition you want and the language you can select it, and after you can install and upgrade whatever you want. I hope you like this video, guys, and please make sure you subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon, so that in the future when I upload any video, you will get a notification regarding it. And thank you very much, guys.